The table feature allows students to connect a table of values with an equation and then to a graph as needed, allowing quick access to multiple representations of functions. After selecting Table from the main menu, you'll see a screen where you can input equations, very similar to graphing. Let's start by adding a simple linear equation, y equals 2x minus 3. By choosing Set with F5, you have the option to adjust table settings to determine the start value, end value, and how much you want the x value to increment with each entry on the table. Now select Table with F6 to see the table of values. Once in the table, you have the ability to use the arrow keys to scroll to additional values, edit existing values, or even select Row with F3 to insert new rows and delete existing rows. To see the data from the table displayed graphically, you've got a couple of options. You can either choose to have a connected graph or a graph of plotted points. Whichever type of graph you choose, the trace feature will simply trace the points from your table. If the default window doesn't give you the view you're looking for, selecting Auto from the Zoom menu will display the rest of the values from the table. Sketch features are available when graphing tables, allowing for the ability to sketch the tangent, norm, or inverse at a given point. You may want to set up multiple equations with the table. Prism not only gives you the ability to see those equations set up with different colors, but with different graph styles and thicknesses. Here you can see two distinct styles selected for the blue and red equations. As is the case with other Prism features, the table feature also gives you the option to switch to polar or parametric equations. Here's a plot of a simple polar equation. Using tables with the Prism is easier than it's ever been on a graphing calculator. Students spend less time learning the calculator and more time learning about functions. In no time, you'll see students analyzing equations by quickly and easily switching between multiple representations of equation, table, and graph.